Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. I do hair tutorials. I break into the beauty scene and do makeup, get ready with me's, and I'm gonna try all kinds of different stuff. So just stick tuned if you like those things. So I am coming to you today with a hair tutorial. Well, I wouldn't really call it a hair tutorial. I'm just gonna come to you today with how I do my hair. I haven't did flexi rods and curls and locks in like so long because this is my second journey, and then I also added extensions, and now I want to have a curly do, and I'm going to be using some flexi rods. So we're gonna see. So just keep on watching and see how this hairstyle turns out. All right. You can pause the video if you want to see the products I used. First thing first for me is some oil. Now, I mean, if y'all want to know what oil I'm using, something called by African Pride Moisture Miracle. I never used it before. I was just in the beauty supply store like, okay, I need shampoo, I need conditioner, I need some edge control, I need some locking stuff to lock my hair with, retwist, and some oil, and it was affordable for me, you know what I'm saying? Because I already spent $50 today. But anyways, let's just oil my hair. Don't forget to oil all the way down from the root to the bottom of your locks. It's very important to not forget about all of your hair. So of course, because my hair is freshly washed, I retwist as I go. It makes it easier for me. So I'm just gonna retwist 2 at a time, and then I would add flexi rods. So I start at the bottom of the flexi rod with the end of my lock, and I wrap it around, and I'll over wrap it so it can hold it in place. And then I just continue to wrap my hair upward till I get all the way to the scalp. And when it's at the top, secure the lock by folding over the top of the flexi rod to hold it in place. So I did my lock bangs individually, like I only put one lock on a flexi rod. I continued with the same method as before, but with my lock bang, I did not make it as tight. I kind of spread it out as I wrapped it up to the top. Okay, so I am back to take out these flexi rods. So let's see how this turns out, because you know this is my extensions. I don't want to see how it curls, so let's see. So I'm just gonna take out this one. Lift it up, and I just unravel like this. Ooh, Arby's fries. Ooh, okay. So far. You can take out a little short one. I try not to make my short one so damn, figure out which way to turn. So tight, since you know they're already short. I try to not like. Yeah, I like that. I don't want to be like scrunched up. So yeah, this is how you take out flexi rods. At least how I take mine out, so that I could still hold the curl. I just maneuver around and just roll it out like that. Okay, so all of the curls are out. And I know it looks crazy because my bangs are short as hell. And it's like, I'm just gonna be the curly queen because I am not about to like go through and manipulate and separate anything, because y'all should know how curls are. Like, they will drop. And I don't want them to drop right away. So honestly, I don't really care if they look like curly French fries. That's just how it is. I'm probably going to use some edge control. I slept with those flexi bars in my head, so it wasn't bad. Like, it didn't hurt. But usually I will be able to hold my edges down, but it's okay. So I'll just do it like this. I guess that's fine. I might just whip something over to this side, you know, but right now, like I said, look, I don't want my curls to come loose. Okay.